So all of my couplers came in. Bunch up 2 inches. Got some of the reducers. I think there's only one reducer that I couldn't find. It was like the 3 to 3.5, the biggest one. This is the new 3-inch. EM USA. Affordable. Comes with T-clamps. Yeah. Let's boost to 8. Alright guys, so update on the motor. I was gonna go with the stock return, but I didn't like the fact that I'm gonna be disconnecting the oil drain every time I do an oil change, which is this guy. This is how the stock Greddy is allocated. I had a spare pan, so I had them do I had one of my friends do AN fitting onto the fan, and I was trying to pull the oil away from the header because it's already really close right there, super close. So yeah, that's basically what I did. I replaced the harness, engine harness. I'm not sure if I got that on video, but there's the old one that's all hacked up. I'm gonna keep it for spare connectors that are still good. But yeah, so we're gonna throw this baby back in, then we'll see how it goes. The removal and install for this is pretty straightforward. I had to reset my engine stand so that my motor would tilt into the trans tunnel, so I could mate the trans with the motor. It's also super way easier to install the turbo with the motor out because there's very little space where the turbo actually sits. Where the Greddy instructions, you have to basically separate the turbo from the manifold and then just place it in there with it hanging, basically. So I just finished installing the turbo kit. This actually looks pretty cool. On my vacuum plumbing, that's not going to be it. I don't like sharing the blow-off valve with the wastegate. I like to keep that separate so that the wastegate has its own source of vacuum and the blow-off valve has its own source of vacuum. The blow-off valve I could share it with like the map sensor that I'm going to be running on the adaptronic. But yeah, a few things that I'm going to check for. Definitely might leak oil over there. I might have an injector leak. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it yet. But let's go. Put some power to this. Quick disconnect here. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check for fuel leaks. So I'm just gonna start the car, or not start it, but just turn the key to the on position. Okay, make sure we got all the power and stuff. All right, we're good. We're golden. Prime it again one more time. Oh, looks like we have a fuel leak. Smells like fuel. Oh yeah, right here. Okay, so this popped off. Okay, let's try it again. Prime it up. All right, seems like we're good. No leaks. Oh, sorry. Okay, seems like we're good. One more time. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold the gas and start it so I could prime up the turbo. Okay. So I'm gonna hold the gas. This one puts my my computer into a throttle the throttle clear or flood clear mode. So we're gonna try. Right. Sorry, clutch it. Okay, so oil should be already going through the system. So now let's go try start it. First start on the Greddy turbo. Here we go. All right, let's go check for any leaks. I have a few exhaust leaks already. Pulling vacuum. Alright. Let's go hear some, see if it'll actually go off. Not sure if it will, so we can try.